A 68-year-old man with known heart failure presents with sudden, severe breathlessness at rest and pink frothy sputum. He is sitting bolt upright and is distressed. On examination, his jugular venous pressure is raised and there are crackles at both lung bases, and his chest radiograph shows fluid in both lungs, the picture of pulmonary edema. After he is sat up and given oxygen, which is the most appropriate immediate drug? Option A, intravenous furosemide. Option B, an intravenous bolus of normal saline. Option C, oral metoprolol. Option D, broad spectrum intravenous antibiotics. Take a pause, think about your answer, and write it in the comments below. Now, let us look at the correct answer. The answer is option A, intravenous furosemide. This is acute cardiogenic pulmonary edema. The lungs are flooded with fluid because the failing heart cannot move blood forward. So the patient is suddenly very breathless, sits bolt upright, and may cough up pink, frothy sputum. The raised neck veins and the crackles at both lung bases tell us this is fluid overload. And on the chest film, you typically see hazy shadowing spreading out through both lungs from the center. The fastest way to relieve this is an intravenous loop diuretic such as furosemide, which pulls off the excess fluid, alongside sitting the patient up and giving oxygen. Giving intravenous fluids would be dangerous because it adds more volume to an already overloaded circulation. Starting a beta blocker during acute decompensation can further weaken the pump, so it is delayed until the patient is stable. And antibiotics treat infection, not this fluid overload. Here is the example. In acute cardiogenic pulmonary edema, sit the patient up, give oxygen, and give an intravenous loop diuretic, and avoid intravenous fluids and new beta blockers until the patient is stable.